Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So, using the previous question, we're going to use Python to solve the variable question. So we've got a change in temperature from 350 to 600 degrees Celsius with an increment of 25 degrees Celsius. We want to find the error rates for ideal and the compressibility as well. Okay, and they will be in variable form as well. If you haven't done the previous question, you can watch that video, or you can just pause this video and I'll go through the steps. However, I'm not going to explain the steps. I'm just going to quickly scroll down and you can just solve the steps yourself. Alternatively, watch the previous video. Okay. So here are the steps. Alright. So now let's move on to today's video. So we've got the table, we've got the temperature, and we've got the two error rates, and then we've got the graph. We'll explain the graph shortly. So I'm just going to switch over to the Python code. So we've got our variable temperature and our error rates. As you can see, the starting temperature has a high error rate of 66.9%. As we get hotter, it drops down to a lower percentage. Same for the compressibility, although not as dramatic. It's only from 4% to 2%. So I'm going to close this table now so the graph will pop up. Okay. So as you can see, we've got the ideal gas at red or orange, and it's an exponential decrease. The green line is the compressibility factor, and it is near flat, but there is a slight curve, as you can see. So this is still considered an exponential curve, although much more tame. Okay, so what is this graph telling us? When we first start out on the low temperature range at 350 degrees Celsius, there is a high error rate for ideal gas. As we heat up to the 600, we have a lower error rate. And the same goes for the compressibility factor with the green line as well. What is this saying? So when you heat up your superheated water vapor, it will be more accurate at the high temperatures, and it'll be less accurate on the cooler temperatures. Alright. Like and subscribe if you want to support me, become a member, or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if I made a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. So I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video channel gets taken down. So while I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. hit the start button, and snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square and snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Alright, like and subscribe once again. Until next time, see ya.